In this video, I'll show you how to create keyboard shortcut for extensions. So go to the browser, then click on three dot, then extensions. From here, click on manage extensions. Then you will see an interface like this. From here, click on keyboard shortcuts. Then activate the extension. Type a shortcut. I'm just typing a normal thing, Ctrl+A, and yeah, it is applied. But you have to remember that this shortcut is only valid for Microsoft Edge. You can't access from any other platform. So if you are in Microsoft Edge, if you click on Ctrl+A, you will access the extension. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.